What a thing! The ghost vent that I've discovered and predicted that is carving the cave through the wall of the volcano actually has collapsed. This is the vent that is on the northern side of the volcano. It collapsed. It fell down and the lava spilled over. Hot lava drained into the plain down the hill toward the north. And this is what you see now. It's burning and practically in an instant is actually evaporating the grass and the moss, whatever is there, into the combustible material. This is the big pop of the moss. Anybody liked about the moss? There was a lot of jokes about the moss. And this is from another view. You can see that the ghost vent is actually collapsing gradually, one by one, segment by segment is falling down. The ghost vent actually is erupting through it. I told that this is carving something inside the wall of the volcano. It was two fault lines there that I predicted exist there. And I mentioned this is controlled by these two faults, this similar to a cave or a apse of a church created, or you can call it vault of a church. This is the way that is collapsed.